Automation should feel personal. It should enhance your connection and not replace it. It should never feel robotic. Members want to be seen and appreciated, not processed. Simple tweaks, including using the names, those dynamic fields, hey, Kathy, haven't seen you in a while. Thank you, Kathy, for renewing. And casual language, I have a tendency when I'm typing in emails to be a little bit short because it's like I just get to the point. And so there's a lot of times I'm a firm believer in ChatGPT and AI. I'll put it into AI and I'll say, make this sound friendlier, just to be able to flower it up some. And add personal notes occasionally or a video from your president, your CEO. Like I said, our new member drip has a welcome video from our president, and then our retention drip will have a thank you video from our president. They haven't recorded it yet. There's a space saved there for it, but I keep reminding them, but they're busy. I get it. I also have in there some quotes from some of our members and everything. We love the chamber because of this, or I did this because of the chamber. And so use your video messages, your handwritten cards, your team signatures. Again, make it really personal. And then ask for feedback and input regularly. We can assume the impact we're having, but unless we ask, we don't know.